in the backyard to put new strings in my old guitar. The E was flat, the A it stayed sharp. I had no idea at all how happy it would make small, and how drunk you and I'd get before dark.
7 years and I'm still waiting. My love is burning in the cold. I find a way to keep my faith in, 'cause you convince me to hold on. Relationships is complicated. You say you will, I know you won't. And this goes on and on and on and on and on. You're just a spinning wheel and I can keep it up. So there you go, and I keep falling slow motion, but they got nothing on you. Just tell me what you want me to do. Don't wanna wait it like a fool. Can't help myself, I'm reminiscing how it felt to hold you close. I know it hurts, but what's the difference? How this will turn out, no one knows. Relationships is complicated. You say you will, I know you won't. And this goes on and on and on and on and on. You're just a spinning wheel and I can keep it up. So there you go, and I keep falling slow motion, but they got nothing on you. Just tell me what you want me to do. So there you go, I keep falling slow motion, but they got nothing on you. Just tell me what you want me to do. Don't wanna wait here.
Good morning, everyone. So, oh, do you have a changed diaper? You didn't go pee-pees? I'm just getting Willa dressed. We are going to go to the farmer's market today, then we're gonna go to a touch a truck. I have this Zara dress I could put her in. Then we also have this dress. I feel like, I don't know. Should we do this shirt with these?
This should all be magnets.
I am so obsessed with the fact that I can have dark colors on my nails again.
Why couldn't you?
Because during the summer you don't want to have dark colors, you can do all light colors.
You learn something new every day.
Yeah. But now it's fall! What are we doing?
It's fall.
Yeah, I know, there was trucks, I told you we were gonna do trucks.
It didn't.
Yes. Are you excited? Okay, let's get, yeah, sister, she's leaving. Should we put shoes? You need your shoes? Sadly, we still have to put on sunscreen. It's like too hot out. How you doing, Missy? You okay? Okay.
Hey, bud, do you want to go inside?
What does it do?
You can go inside, bud.
He could care less about going inside.
Yeah.
He wants forget everything else that's here.
Yeah.
This right here is his. I saw. That is so cool. Yeah.
You want to go press the horn?
Well, you know what they say. There are no kingdoms without rulers. Are you ready for change? We could be kings and queens every day. On the low, we are brave. Yes, even braver than the bravest. So let's go.
I know you're on a school bus. Cool. So cool. That's so exciting. Oh, honk. Honk.
We'll make gold on our way up through them trees before we reach them tops. Oh no, half isn't enough. Let's build castles now. Well, you know what they say. There are no kingdoms without rulers. Are you ready for change? We could be kings and queens every day. On the low, we are brave. Yes, even braver than the bravest. So let's go.
Guys, so we got an air fryer and I'm telling you, it's like the best thing ever. Look at these wings that we made. We're just watching some football. Cooper's eating some food. Yeah, is it good?
Yeah.
And this is what it looks like. So it's basically just like a little fryer ball thingy, and this is what you put the wings in, and you can make so much different stuff, and it's so easy. And then it turns on, and then you would just like click one of these buttons, and around here change all of the different ones that you want to do, and you can make like cake and fries and other meats and shrimp and cake, chicken, steak, fish, and it just like starts automatically. It's awesome. This is Cooper's like favorite thing to do. Yeah? So I put the info for that air fryer in the description box below. We got it on Amazon. Guys, it's really cool. Yeah, I don't even think we are going to use our Instapot anymore. Like, we haven't used it in a while. I think I'm just gonna like give it to my grandfather. But that is all. Two things that were really funny today that you guys, I think, might have missed. One, Cooper at the Touch-A-Truck, he picked up this like big acorn and he was running around telling everybody, going, poop! Because him and Dan go and walk Mush outside and Mush goes and poops. And so he learned what poop was from that. And if he's in the grass outside and there's like poop on the lawn, he'll be yelling and pointing at it like, poop, poop. So he picked up an acorn and he was running around just showing everyone that it was a poop. And we, oh my gosh, I was laughing hysterically. I thought it was so funny. And another thing that Dan and I were just really laughing at was the fact that we have one of these bracelets. For those of you who are not familiar with these bands, like when you're younger and you go out like drinking or partying or whatnot, like you get one of these when you're over 21 so that they know that you can drink. So like Dan and I were just laughing and saying how like it's so funny. Cooper, me and Daddy used to get these for very different reasons. So it's kind of weird right now to have one of these on my wrist knowing that it's from a Touch-A-Truck thing for my toddler. Touch-A-Truck event. Yeah, but Cooper loved that. Oh my gosh, that was like his dream. To be able to go and like sit in all the trucks and honk the horns, and he went into the school bus with me. Oh my gosh, we got such cute photos. It was a really nice day. But anyway, we're going to finish off our day as a family just relaxing, but thank you so much for coming along with us. If you're new to our channel, please subscribe because we would love to have you come along. We're just a big happy family over here and there's really just no drama. in our like comment section, and we all just kind of like hang out and enjoy life and chill. So come along and join us. If you like this video, give it a like, please. It helps our channel. That'd be really nice. And that is all. We will see you guys soon. Bye.